Hi semua, this is Tabby and hari ni Tabby sangat-sangat excited sebab nak beritahu you guys that I finally have the singer's dream gift, and that is in-ear monitors.
In-ear monitors ni is what we wear during performances.
Bila masa perform lagu with like a live band or if the crowd is very loud, to make sure you can hear yourself while you're singing. Tapi dari muda sampai sekarang, it's been my biggest dream to get my own personal pair of in-ear monitors sebab it's so good for hygiene kalau you tak share dengan orang lain. And finally the day has come. Sennheiser bekerja sama dengan Dollar and has given us in-ear monitors. I'll say the model right here. It is so amazing to finally have the opportunity to hold my own personal in-ear monitors. I cannot explain to you enough. By the way, it comes with this beautiful packaging that you can actually keep your in-ears in. The packaging is basically like this. Okay, I've taken it out, but you can see you can roll it around here. Then you can keep your in-ears inside this little hoop thing. Let's enjoy the unboxing.
So like I said earlier, Tabby tak sabar to open the box, so I did before this, but here you go. I tried my best to pack it as how it came so that I can show you guys how it came in the box when I received it. They basically came in their respective slots like this in the box, and as you can see here, I actually got the IE 400 Pro clear version. So it actually comes with a really nice box that you can store anything you need inside it for shows and bring it along with you. Obviously, this isn't how the wires came, but I wish I could show you how it came originally. Sennheiser did it much better. I tried, I'm sorry. Now let's have a closer look. Look how gorgeous they are, and thank you so much Sennheiser, you really made my dreams come true with these in-ear monitors. Also in the box are different sizes for I think what you call the earbuds, but yeah, this is really important, guys. So ada banyak kali because Dollar are dancers, you know, our earpiece will fall out because tak muat our ears, and this is the perfect solution to that. So sekarang ni we have personalized sizes for us and it won't drop off as easily, so yay! So there are actually two materials on here. I think you can see the difference from the right side and the left side, and we can pick the most suitable one for our ears so that they feel comfortable and good. So these in-ears actually have a really noticeable punch. It's really nice. It has clear high frequencies, but at the same time very balanced. It has great sound quality and I absolutely love the sound that comes from it. Personally untuk Tabby rasa macam these in-ear monitors are not that expensive compared to other in-ear monitors that I've seen before. The sound from this is totally comparable to those of like very high price range that are very expensive. So I love these. I think these are so worth your buck. Sennheiser also gave us a very beautiful headset mic that I will show you guys in another video. Maybe if you swipe to the left. Yeah, definitely be using these with a lot of love and care, so yeah.
Thank you so much Sennheiser for sending us the in-ear monitors and also the head mic. We promise Dollar will love and use them very well. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time.